Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles prismatic and grow a garden. First, you'll need to access your garden's crafting menu. Make sure your waffle maker is placed and ready for use. You'll also want to confirm your garden has reached the necessary level to unlock prismatic recipes. This process involves a few key steps to transform ordinary waffles into something extraordinary. Next, let's gather the unique ingredients. You'll need 3 units of prismatic dust, often found during special garden events or quests. Also, harvest 5 golden wheat from your most fertile plots. Finally, seek out 1 elusive rainbow berry, typically located in the enchanted forest section of your garden. These components are crucial for the prismatic transformation. Now it's time to craft. Open your waffle maker and carefully place all the gathered ingredients inside. From the recipe list, select the prismatic waffle option. The crafting process usually takes about 30 seconds to complete. Watch as your ordinary ingredients combine to form a dazzling new treat. Patience is key for this magical creation. Once crafted, your prismatic waffles offer fantastic benefits. Displaying them on a special pedestal can earn you bonus points and increase your garden's overall happiness by 25%. Consuming a waffle grants a temporary speed buff, lasting for 10 minutes, which is perfect for quick tasks. Enjoy your beautiful and beneficial prismatic creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.